Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to learn how to use the if error function on Microsoft Excel. So for the purpose of this video I have created two little two little squares right here where we're gonna test our function. So in this square right here we are going to create an error, and in this square right here we are going to use the if error function. So basically, what exactly is the if error function? This function allows us to generate something if an error happens inside of a certain cell. So let's say, for example, I'm on this cell right here, and I write down my if error function. So how exactly am I gonna write it down? So it's gonna be if error, and it's gonna be this function right here. This function is divided in two parameters. The first one is the value. So what exactly will be the value right here? The value will be the value of the cell right there. So if the cell right here is an error, I want to generate something. The second parameter of this function is value if error. So if there is an error inside of this cell, I want to generate something. So in our case, what exactly we want to generate? Let's say you want to generate the text that says this is an error. So, and we can close our parentheses. So as you can see here, it's 0 right now. If we write 5, it will become 5. But the moment that this right here becomes an error, so a simple error will be 1 divided by 0. So any number divided by 0 will be an error. As you can see here, we will have this text that will be generated that says this is an error. So basically the if error function in Microsoft Excel will simply generate text, generate text or whatever you want to generate if there is an error inside of a certain cell. So this is really the goal of that of this function. So once again, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and learned something new. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.